Meet the fearsome Snipex Alligator, Ukraine's renowned sniper rifle. Its exceptional range allows bullets to travel up to 7 kilometers, ensuring precise lethality within a 2-kilometer radius. Utilizing .57 caliber bullets, this sniper rifle is designed to penetrate walls and armored vehicles, efficiently eliminating opponents. Transporting the Snipex Alligator requires a team of 2 individuals due to its weight of 25 kilos. With a length of 6.6 feet, it stands as the longest and most dangerous rifle in the world, underscoring its significance on the battlefield.